Okay, James, so I am going to be showing you how to do some of these bar models that I wasn't sure how to do before. And Ms. Clark sent me a really cool video, but I wanted to show you using some of the questions that you had earlier that you did on your work. So in the one that she had sent me, it's awesome. It showed us a lot of information here, but I switched the problem a little bit here for you so that way it had some nice familiar names and some cool numbers that you would feel more comfortable with. So the first thing that we want to do is read the problem. James and Braden have 59 marbles. James has 36 marbles. How many does Braden have? So in the tutorial that Ms. Clark sent us, it says that we need to first look at what's most important in the problem and look at what numbers it offers us. So what we can do is let's go ahead and get them circled so that we see them. 59, 59, and 36. Okay, so we've highlighted our numbers here, and now the next thing that we want to do is look at our problem and see what these numbers, or what our problem is asking us. So our problem wants to know, how many does Braden have? Tells us how many they have together right here, and it tells us how many that James has, but we don't know how many Braden has. So the bar models become really cool because it shows us what we have as a whole and then what we have as part of it. I know that sounds a little funky, but you'll be able to see it when we model it. So if we have a bar that looks like this, let's say that this right here is all of our marbles. It's all of them. Okay? So we'll label that and say, hold on, let me get to it. Brushes. So we'll label that and say that this right here, this whole thing, is our whole piece. And it told us that it is 59 marbles because James and Braden together have 59 marbles. So James and Braden have 59 marbles. Okay? This whole thing is 59 marbles. Now, what we'll do with the bar graph or bar model is we are going to divide it in half. Okay? Maybe not quite half because it's not divided perfectly into half, but we need to be able to show that one side is James's and one side is Braden's. So we'll just say that this side is James's and this side is Braden's. Okay? So we'll label it. All right? So this side is James's and this side over here is Braden's, right here. Now, what do we know from our problem? What did it tell us? Let's see. Does it tell us how many that James has? James has 36 marbles. It does. So on this side of the bar model, we can put 36 because it told us that he has 36. So over here, we can put, I don't know how to change my color. Oh, there you are. Over here, we can put 36. Why would I pick that color? I am sorry, James. So we're going to put 36. So over here, we've got 30. I can't draw on that bar. 36. There's 36 marbles. Whew. Okay. James has 36 marbles. And now we need to know how many Braden has. And our problem doesn't tell us because that's what they want to know. Right here when they say how many. That's a very important question and words right there of how many. How many does Braden have? We would be able to figure that out by seeing how many we have all together in our whole bar, 59. And James has 36. So we would be able to do 59 minus 36 . 59 minus 36 equals, let's see, equals, so 9 minus 6, 3, watch me just totally mess up and do it wrong. We'll see. James, am I right? Well, let's see. So 36 plus 23. Let's just make sure Mama didn't mess up because it seems like I am losing my mind. 1 second. Yes, okay. So I've checked my work too, which helps. I made sure that this 23 plus 36 equaled 59 marbles. So Braden has 23. James's 36 marbles and Braden's 23 marbles made up this whole bar of 59 marbles. Does that make sense to you, bud? All right. If it doesn't, then I will have another video for you now that I've gotten a little bit accustomed to how to use this thingy here. Okay, so I want you to try it, okay? So let's see here. I'm going to give you a problem and see that if you can represent it with a bar model from one of your problems in your worksheets, okay? All right, now let's figure out how to turn all this off, bud. I love you.